Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had an amazing week. So, as you guys know, well, some of you may know if you follow me on Instagram, I posted on my Instagram stories that I bought the new MORPHE and James Charles palette, and mine's already collecting dust because it's been on the floor for a week. But yay, I'm so excited. I bought this off the official MORPHE website. There was like a Instagram ad on the Insta stories, and it was promoting these palettes, and I was like, okay, I gotta go and get it. And that's the first time I've actually brought something from like an Instagram ad. So yay, I've wanted this for the longest time now. And in my makeup transformation I did like 4 weeks ago, that was the one with the rainbow dropping down, I asked you guys what palettes that you guys recommend that are colourful, because all I use is my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and a few of you guys said the James Charles Morphe palette, and this looks so stunning, so of course I had to get it. And this like has such huge hype online. Everybody's raving about it and doing tutorials about it and stuff like that, so I thought I'd do my own tutorial and review, giving you guys my honest opinion on what I think about this palette and the shades and stuff like that. So I'm going to create his iconic look today. I'm going to do the eyes and then maybe I'll do like the white part. But anyway, I love the look on the front, and the first impression that I got was that the palette is huge. The palette is really flat and it is very big, and it almost looks like a laptop. So on the front it says Morphe and James Charles. I love the simple writing. And the first thing you have in here when you open it is this sheet, and it has all the shade names. I'd preferably like the shade names written like on the carton instead of on a sheet, but yeah. But he's got lots of names such as Canvas, Ring Light, So Good, Code James, No Beans, Artistry, Escape, Single, Spooky, Tea. So he's got like lots of names that kind of describe him and what he says and all that. So, oh my gosh, I just love looking at this. So it says on the inner palette, unleash your inner artist. It would have been cool if it had a mirror, but I don't really use mirrors on palettes, but I know like for some people they prefer a mirror, so I don't really mind, but it would have been, you know, even cooler if it had an inbuilt mirror in there. But first impression, I love the shades, I love all the tones, and I really like how they've got a good mixture of colours in here. Like they've actually got yellows and greens and like a red, which is what I always use for my creative look, so that is so exciting. The only thing I question is, I don't know why like the middle shades are big. I think it's because you could use them on your face as well. Like maybe you could use them as bronzes and a highlighter, and maybe like under eye setting powder. I'm not sure why they made that middle row bigger, but I assume maybe that's why. But yeah, I absolutely love these tones. I did give them a quick swatch on my hand, and they are pretty pigmented for matte colourful shades. Now you guys got to realise that like obviously pigmented shades go on in like one swipe, but matte colourful shades are a lot harder to get the pigment in. And I'll like just give it a swatch. Like that is pretty pigmented for a matte colourful shade. Yeah, amazing. That goes on pretty darn well. Now that is more pigmented than my BH Cosmetics palette. This purple one stands out to me. Like look at that. I'm going to swatch that. That looks really cool. And I'll swatch it on my wrist. Ooh, that is really pretty. So I'll do a few swatches now so you guys can get the gist. I'm going to swatch like a peachy colour. Wow, that's going to look so cool for so many eye looks. Like this is why I got this palette. There's a green. I'm swatching on the same finger, which isn't the best. Wow. On the wrist. One swatch. Like, and that is for a matte shade. So I want to see if they're consistent in colour. ooh, let's see this hot pink up the top, that stood out to me. Wow. Pigmented as ever. Swatch. Whoa. Okay, it's this gold shade up here. Let's see. Oh wow, okay, yes. Everything is pigmented as. Swatch. Wowza. So I don't know if you guys want me to swatch a few more shades. I don't know. I might do it just in case. So I'm going to get the orange, the yellow, the red, because I know I'll use that a lot, and I'll swatch one of these big shades, the brown. Wow, okay, so there they are, like, so pigmented, especially for matte shades. They go on so easily. Okay, so already I'm impressed with the formula and the consistency of the shades. I don't even know if I can doubt this. Like, if I was to be fussy, the only thing would be putting the shade names on the palette and maybe having a mirror for those who use it, because like if you are away traveling and you don't have access to a mirror, you can like do it in here, and that's like a nice big size. So I mean, that's like if I was being really fussy. So I think for this tutorial I will do the eyes, and then afterwards I will talk about the shades and how they blended and stuff like that. So let's get straight into the tutorial.
So bright, I don't wanna lose that somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody. I don't wanna lose
is the final look, guys. Oh my god, that took so much longer than I thought. I think it's because it's the technique. Like, I struggled with the outer corner and bringing it up like a cat eye. I found that really difficult, and I hope I've got them like kind of even. I think I do. So I added the white just like the picture, and now it looks even more like the James Charles iconic makeup look that he has on his palette with the whole brush. I thought I just had to do the whole thing just for the end of this video so you guys could see. And I covered this makeup brush with white eyeliner and foundation. So yay, we are sister twins. I think it definitely makes the whole look doing it like this. Sister twins. If I was to rate it out of 10, I would probably rate it like a 9.6. Like, and that is really high in my books. The shades are so pigmented, they work so well together, they blend well, and people just think of the Morphe James Charles palette as a colourful palette, but literally you can do so many neutral and smoky eye looks. Like, there is so much brown shades and stuff in there, and you've got like some nice dark browns and blacks and even a white. So yeah, you don't just have to do colourful looks, that you can do lots of neutral looks as well. So I feel like this is a good palette for everybody. If you guys liked this review video and you want to see more review videos on certain like hyped products, then definitely let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave any like video recommendations down below in the comments because I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.